Alright guys, let's do it. This will be the best reveal. Uh-oh. Ooh-wee. Wow. Wow. Look at this, guys. Here's my hand for reference. Gotta start with this bunch right here. Look at this. Oh my. I'm a bit concerned, guys, because all I see is honey, no brood. That's not a good sign. Now, the only thing I can think of is possibly this hive is really young and just started, and so maybe they haven't started laying yet. That's what I call chaosity. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Now they're going to the box. Look how quickly they're gone. Left the lid open a bit. All right, let's leave them. Let them do their thing.